There are 3 possible situations you might encounter on your macOS laptop when dealing with Git version control. To determine which one applies to you, we'll run the command git-version. To do this, open Spotlight by pressing Command and space, type terminal, and open the terminal app. Inside the terminal window, type git-version and execute this command by pressing Enter. In the first scenario, Git is already installed, and the command will display which version is currently in use. In that case, you're all set. Note that the version number may differ from 2.39.5, and that's perfectly fine. In the second scenario, a longer message appears mentioning Xcode, and a new window pops up prompting you to install it. In this case, agree to install and follow the installation instructions. Once the installation is complete, reopen the terminal app and run git-version again. You should now see the result described in the first scenario, meaning Git is installed and ready to use. In the third scenario, even after installing Xcode, the terminal still doesn't display a Git version, or the installation prompt from the previous step never appeared. In that case, you can install Git manually using the Homebrew Package Manager, which is the most popular way to install developer tools on macOS. To start, type brew in the terminal. If the command works, you can skip installing Homebrew. However, if you see the message, command not found :brew, it means you need to install it. To do this, go to the Homebrew's installation page. Copy the installation command shown there, and run it in the terminal. After Homebrew is successfully installed, copy and execute suggested commands in order to add brew to path. Type brew install git. This will install the Git version control system automatically. If brew is still not recognized, reopen terminal window. This allows to refresh environmental variables including path, which allows identifying executables. If a permissions error appears, follow the instructions provided by Homebrew to fix the permissions, then restart the installation. If you encounter any other issues, reach out to your teaching assistants for help. Once the installation is complete, close and reopen the terminal, then run git-version again. This time, you should see that Git is installed. Congratulations, Git is now successfully installed on your computer.